Yes. It's all yours. Yeah, please. Then we'll have Ashwin.
Uh, well, ladies and gentlemen, I think as far as Mary Kom is concerned, she needs no introduction. She is in fact a role model for a large number of youth in our country. This time during the Commonwealth Games, I thought that she is far too old. Incidentally, I have had the pleasure of seeing her from very close quarters. I commanded my brigade in Manipur, and I have seen the kind of grit and determination that the ladies of Manipur have. They are the ones who have produced the ladies polo team. They are the ones whose ladies have excelled in all sorts of activities. They are, in fact, the thought leaders as far as sports is concerned in the whole country. A small state, they either stand first or second in national games. So such is the kind of beauty that our country today possesses. We have with us a very distinguished lifter that this country has produced, and there are a large number of other ladies. If the honor of our country today is there in the field of sports, it is mainly because of ladies. It is mainly because of our girls who have kept up this honor. And that has been possible because of the kind of grit and determination our sportsmen and sportswomen have been able to have. I would like to compliment Ranjan for having organized this, and I would like to take this opportunity of congratulating each and every one of the thought leaders who have had who have taken the trouble of coming here. When he had started at that time, I thought this was a wonderful initiative, and he was gracious enough to make me one of the thought leaders initially. And the reason why I felt it was a wonderful initiative is that it provides you an opportunity of networking. But more than that, it provides you an opportunity of learning from each other. The kind of experiences that everyone has. In DLF Foundation, when I raised it in 2009, and up to just about a couple of months back, whatever initiatives that we took, most of them have come from ideas derived from interactions of this kind. And I think the greatest value that this event will provide to each one of us is to be able to learn from each other's experience, find new innovations, find new ideas, enmesh it into our own, and be able to do something by which both our country as also the social sector benefits. Thank you very much.
Ashwin, you have, 2 minutes?
On behalf of Ms. Mary Kom and the Mary Kom Regional Boxing Foundation, thank you, Cosby Kausan Ranjan, for this award for us. Just 2 lines for all of you that in Manipur, as General Singh has said, we're trying to do a grassroots Olympic movement. We're trying to make a social impact by using the energy of the young, talented, young boxers in Manipur and Northeast India. We're creating more Mary Koms from what we only have done one Mary Kom till now in so many years. The region has a lot of talent. We're trying to harness the energy of the youth from 12 years of age, and by the time they become 18 years of age, we've given them a comprehensive program in life skills apart from sports, so they become much more competitive at 18 to go on the world stage. This is a real venture to do a grassroots Olympic movement and to partner with organizations under CSR, so we all can understand that sport is also a very important part of CSR. It combines women empowerment, rural development, sports, education, everything. So it actually is a very big aspect of CSR, as Karnan ma'am also has said, it's very important for us to understand that corporates participate in the Olympic movement by joining hands with such academies. We also want to thank all our support partners, including the Hero Group, Vijay sir, and also the Hans Foundation for supporting us, General Mehta. So thank you so much for all your support to us, and we hope to create more Mary Coms in the years to come. Thank you so much.